Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Still Tuesday, November 10th. And we have one personal box for Milkman. I have randomly selected this box. Box number 96. 96 for those folks playing something at home. I'm not sure exactly what. So let's, 96. Who's wearing 96 these days? I don't know if there's anybody who's wearing 96 these days. I keep forgetting about this dumb seal on here. I gotta get one of those industry issued silly box cutters that everybody seems to love. Alright. Milkman92, good luck, sir. Emerson Edom. Okay. If we're going to Emerson Edom, then yeah, 96 maybe no bueno. And we start right off, first pack, Young Guns. Matt O'Connor. Let me turn down this music. I just wanted to have a little bit of sound in here. Alright, so 96 coming in vogue. That's just a bunch of kids born in 96. Well, I'm obviously not Edom. Base. Checklist. Shining Stars. Henrik Zetterberg. Portraits. Lundqvist. Young Guns, Sam Bennett. Canvas, Jake Allen. Checklist. We're really banking on the Emerson Edom luck. Game jerseys, Henrik Sedin. Young Guns, Jared McCann. Portraits, Corey Perry. Shining Stars, Tyler Seguin. Canvas, Elias Lindholm. Young Guns, Ben Hutton. So base, but let me just double check because I've been up for 18 hours. Shining Stars, Emerald, Corey Perry. Portraits, James Van Riemsdyk. Young Guns, Nicholas Patan. Devontae Pelly-Smith canvas. Stamp Man himself. Young Guns canvas, Sam Bennett. Nice hit there. Been hitting a lot of Young Guns canvas. Not sure what the fall rate is on those. Shining Stars, Patrice Bergeron. Base. Surprised we haven't come into an exclusives yet. Young Guns, Slater Coke. Someone's got to give me the pronunciation of that one, because I have yet to watch a Lightning game. Cuckoo. Okay, that's what we'll go with. Cuckoo. Interesting. Yeah, I have not watched any Lightning as of yet. There's our portrait after the Young Guns, Marc-Andre Fleury. Alright, hold off guys until I'm just wrapped up here. Be a little easier to end base. Alright, so to recap, alright, so we have Henrik Sedin, game used jersey, portraits Lundqvist, Perry, Van Riemsdyk, Fleury, Shining Stars, Zetterberg, Sagan, Emerald Perry, Bergeron, Canvas, Jake Allen, Elias Lindholm, the Stamp Man, and Young Guns Sam Bennett, and our Young Guns, Matt O'Connor, Sam Bennett, Jeremy McCann, Ben Hutton, Patan, and we're going to go Cuckoo. So again, thank you very much Milkman92 for the break. Hope you enjoy your cards. Follow us at breakers.tv, or join us actually at breakers.tv/PACA cards. Twitter and Instagram. Follow us at PACA Card Store and PACACardstore.com. Thanks a lot and have a great evening.